EM3 Computer Technology. Materials: Computer, Pays email program located at www.paysjobs.com/em. EM3 message card. EM spell check instruction card. Procedure: you are going to open and reply to 4 inbox messages. Open the internet browser on your computer. Click in the address bar at the top of the screen and type the following address: www.paysjobs.com/em. Press Enter or Return on your keyboard. Open the first message listed on the EM3 message card. The first message is from Ella Marshall with the subject Job Opening. Click on the word Reply in the top toolbar. Click in the message box below the subject box. Locate the reply message for Ella Marshall on the EM3 message card. Type the reply message in the message box. Correct any spelling errors you might have by following the instructions on the EM spell check instruction card. Click on the word Send in the top toolbar and then Close. Repeat steps 4 through 10 to reply to the other 3 messages listed on the EM3 message card.